Hey, this is Andrew Hollandchuk with the Victoria Property Group. We're excited to share with you 3043 Pickford. This updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, half duplex will tick all buyers' boxes. It's one of the best prices in all of Westshore. Offers everything. Updated roof, sewage, nice appliances. You have 3 bedrooms up, you have the 2 bathrooms, you have the brand new gas fireplace that's going to tick all your boxes with a park-like setting in the backyard. Let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. To book a showing, contact our team or your realtor. Bye for now.